Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. It's another beautiful day, and today we are going to be renting a U-Haul to do all of our jobs. So this truck right here is broke. If you haven't checked out my solo day by myself that turned into a disaster video, I blew up the transmission in that, so that truck's out of commission. And over there, that truck's been out of commission. That's the money pit truck, working on getting that fixed as well. So right now I have no vehicle. So what I did is I went to Home Depot and I got this 2500 or 250 F250 because I figured I can pull my dump trailer with it and then I can just dump all the load. Well, unfortunately, they have a locked pin on all their hitches. So learn from my mistake. I rented this and didn't even realize it had that. Brought it all the way back to my house, and now it's pretty much useless to me. Now I'm gonna have to take this Home Depot truck back, and Home Depot has box trucks, but the one in my area, the box truck isn't there. So I'm gonna have to return this Home Depot truck, probably pay $75 to $130 just to return it because I made a stupid mistake. And then I gotta go to a U-Haul and I'm gonna get a box truck, and I'm gonna run all my jobs through U-Hauls today. So it's not really a video I planned on doing. It's just something I gotta still go do these jobs, and this is the best way for me to do it. Obviously, I wish I had a dump trailer because now I gotta load and unload. Takes me back to when I first started, but it's all good. Hopefully we can still get these jobs done and everything will turn out fine. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, we just picked up this U-Haul. It says it's a 12-foot bed, but it seems pretty big. And on our way back, we actually got a job. So this is everything we picked up on our way back. We got a few things I think my wife might want to fix up, but I'll show you guys everything good at the end of the day. But we're gonna just get all the good stuff off, take the trash off, and then we're gonna head to the next job. I'll try to get some video of that. I didn't have the GoPro with me when I left Home Depot, so we're gonna go get this stuff off and head to the next job. All right, guys, we just got to the job. I'm gonna show you everything that we're gonna be taking. So here's the pile of stuff here, a little bit over here, and those pallets over there, and then this pile here and this wheelbarrow. So it's gonna be fun trying to pack it all on here. Hopefully we can get it all on here in one trip. So now we're gonna get started. All right, guys, we just got all that picked up and the truck is full. Obviously we could put more stuff on there, but we're gonna get out of here and go to the dump now and dump this and then head to the next job. All right, guys, I just made it back to the pond, and now I'm gonna just take off this little bit of scrap metal. And then we're gonna head to the next job. All right, guys, here's the next job. We actually tore down a shed yesterday. I'll put a couple pictures up right now of what that looks like. And then once you see that, this is all that's left. So we're actually gonna try to load this all up into our Home Depot truck. Hopefully we can do it in one load. It'll be a miracle, but who knows, it might happen. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, guys, we are all done. We got that whole pile in the truck. I'll show you guys the truck in a minute, but we got it all picked up here. So let's go look at the truck real quick. So you could see in the time lapse, we were stacking as best we could. Have to put my tools in there too, but we still got room. We got room for that door to close. So guys, today more than ever, I miss my dump trailer. I want my truck back and my dump trailer back, because now I got to go hand unload all this, which absolutely sucks. It's packed in there real good. Yeah, guys, we ended up doing 3 jobs today. One of them I didn't get on film. We were supposed to have another job after this, but we're actually running behind, and the dump closes. It's at 4:30. It's about 4:15. They won't even let you in after 4 over there. So, but overall, pretty good day. We still got to do some work with the U-Haul. The first job we made $100. The second job we made $650, and this one we're picking up $1,100 from her right now. That's half of what we got yesterday when we tore down the shed. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.